Hello, everyone. This is the weekly review for September 21st to September 25th. Our four-class focus last week was on collaboration. We had lots of opportunities for working together, particularly in breakout rooms in Zoom. And we focused on the concepts of regionalization. And some of your learning goals included explaining how regions are created to cohesively organize space, and thinking about the presence or absence of human and physical characteristics that would make up a region, and explaining how the representations of regions reflect the context and circumstances in which they are made. We also reviewed the last summer assignment where you are analyzing geographic data. We analyzed geographic data about South America and the Amazon region. And we continued our geographic data analysis by looking at the annual world population growth in a 150-year period, speculating beyond the year 2020. And we went over some of the things that you naturally pulled out of the graph and some of the things that you analyzed beyond what the graph was telling you. Going back to regions and regionalization, we had a writing prompt where we reviewed a learning goal about regions and how they are based upon the presence or absence of human and physical characteristics and how they reflect context and circumstances. You'll remember that we started by talking about the region of New England and brainstorming human and physical characteristics of that region. And then you worked in breakout room groups to talk about the Florida Keys. And the same thing, you were thinking about human and physical characteristics, as well as what context and circumstances would have created this region known as the Florida Keys. We had a Pear Deck review as well. That Pear Deck review went over such things as map components and purposes, the difference between space and place, human environmental patterns, and our introduction into regionalization. We began working on a regionalization group presentation, which we will continue working on this week. We went into breakout rooms, we created a shared slide deck, we decided upon a major world region, and then we decided upon a sub-region within the major world region to focus on. What we have to look forward to, we will continue examining the purposes, characteristics, and limitations of regions. We'll focus on respect as our new executive functioning skill, and our next key concept will be human adaptations to the physical environment.